If you are even thinking about buying a HomePod Mini right now, just don't. You might be seconds away from making a huge mistake. A new wave of supply chain reports and developer leaks suggests that Apple is preparing to quietly replace the current generation with something far more powerful. The original HomePod Mini has been sitting on store shelves for years with very few meaningful changes. And while it was an impressive little smart speaker when it first launched, the technology inside it has begun to show its age. Now the signs are pointing to a complete refresh, and the next version looks like it will transform the tiny speaker into something much smarter, faster, and more capable than anyone expected. According to sources close to the production line, the current model is slowly disappearing from major retailers. That usually only happens when Apple is preparing to introduce a successor. But this time, the rumors suggest something bigger than a typical upgrade. Instead of a small performance boost or a cosmetic change, the upcoming speaker appears to be getting a full internal overhaul. Engineers have reportedly been working on a new model for quite some time, and internal software code discovered in recent Apple beta releases references a mysterious device labeled B525. Analysts and developers widely believe that this code refers to the next-generation HomePod Mini. One of the biggest complaints about the original HomePod Mini has always been performance. It runs on the S5 processor, the same chip that powered the Apple Watch Series 5 several years ago. While that chip was fine for simple tasks, it struggles to keep up with the modern demands of voice assistants and smart home automation. Users have often noticed delays when asking Siri to perform simple commands, and the small spinning light on the top of the speaker sometimes feels like it takes forever before the device responds. That is where the new model could completely change the experience. Leaks suggest that Apple is planning to upgrade the device with the much newer S10 chip. This processor includes a significantly more powerful neural engine designed specifically for artificial intelligence and machine learning tasks. In practical terms, this means Siri will be able to process commands directly on the device instead of sending everything to Apple's servers and waiting for a response. Local processing dramatically reduces latency, so when you ask the speaker to turn on your lights or play a song, the response should feel almost instantaneous. This shift toward on-device intelligence is a huge deal for privacy as well. Instead of sending voice recordings across the internet, the speaker can understand commands internally and execute them without sharing as much data externally. Apple has been emphasizing privacy in its ecosystem for years, and this upgrade would align perfectly with that philosophy while also making the device feel faster and more responsive. But the chip upgrade is not just about speed. It could unlock entirely new capabilities for Siri. The new neural engine is expected to support more advanced contextual understanding. That means the assistant may finally be able to understand requests in a more natural way. Instead of repeating very specific commands, users might be able to say something like, "Play the song I was listening to earlier in the car," and the system will understand exactly what they mean. Context awareness, like that, has been one of the biggest missing pieces in Apple's voice assistant compared to its competitors. The improvements also hint at a broader vision Apple may have for the future of the smart home. Rather than treating the HomePod Mini as just a small speaker with voice control, the next generation could function as a localized smart home hub. With enough processing power built in, it could manage automation routines directly within the house. Lights, thermostats, and other connected devices could respond instantly without relying on cloud processing. This would make smart homes more reliable and faster, while reducing dependence on internet connectivity. Design changes are also rumored to be part of the update. While the familiar spherical shape of the speaker will likely remain the same, the external materials may receive a noticeable improvement. Reports suggest that Apple is testing a new type of mesh fabric that resists dust buildup and staining more effectively than the current design. The goal is to keep the speaker looking clean even after years of sitting on a desk or shelf. Color options could also play a big role in the refresh. Apple has always treated the HomePod Mini as a product that blends into a room's decor, so expanding the color lineup would make sense. In addition to the traditional white and darker finishes, prototypes reportedly include a deep crimson tone, a darker space black version designed to match Apple's professional laptops, and even a warm sunrise orange color that stands out under modern lighting setups. Another major upgrade may come in the form of wireless connectivity. The existing model includes the U2 Ultra Wideband chip, which helps enable features like quick device handoff between an iPhone and the speaker. The upcoming version is expected to move to the second-generation U2 chip. This upgrade would significantly improve spatial awareness between devices. Instead of tapping your phone directly against the speaker to transfer music, the system could detect when you walk into the room and suggest transferring playback automatically. Imagine listening to music through headphones on your phone, then entering your living room and seeing a prompt appear on your lock screen asking if you want to continue playing the music on the nearby speaker. The transition would feel seamless and natural. Expanding the range of the ultra-wideband chip also opens the door for more advanced spatial features in the future. Sound quality is another area where Apple appears to be making improvements. Despite its small size, the original HomePod Mini delivered surprisingly balanced audio thanks to Apple's computational sound processing. The next generation may push that even further. Leaks indicate the inclusion of a new high-excursion driver paired with an updated acoustic waveguide system. These changes would allow the speaker to produce deeper bass and clearer highs without increasing the size of the device. The computational audio software is also expected to evolve. The speaker could analyze the acoustics of the room continuously and adjust its sound output dozens or even hundreds of times per second. Whether the speaker is placed on a wooden desk, a bookshelf, or a kitchen countertop, it would automatically tune itself to deliver the best possible sound for that environment. Pairing two speakers together for stereo sound may also receive a significant improvement. Apple is reportedly developing a feature that uses the U2 chip to calculate the exact distance and position between two HomePod Mini units. With that data, the speakers can coordinate their audio output more precisely, creating a wider and more immersive soundstage. The system may even simulate a virtual center channel, making a pair of speakers surprisingly effective for watching movies or playing games in smaller rooms. Connectivity upgrades extend beyond ultra-wideband technology as well. The upcoming model is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E, which operates on the less crowded 6 GHz band. In homes filled with smart devices, routers, and streaming equipment, that extra bandwidth could make a noticeable difference. It ensures that the speaker maintains a strong, stable connection even when multiple devices are competing for network resources. Perhaps the most surprising rumored feature involves home security. Developers analyzing early software hints believe the new speaker may function as part of a home monitoring system. The built-in microphones could listen for sounds such as breaking glass or smoke alarms. If something unusual is detected, the device could send an immediate alert to your phone while also sounding a loud warning tone inside the home. This would effectively turn the speaker into a small but powerful security node within Apple's smart home ecosystem. All of these upgrades raise an obvious question about price. Surprisingly, early reports suggest Apple plans to keep the device at the same $99 price point as the original. Maintaining that price would make the new model extremely competitive in the smart speaker market while encouraging users to place multiple units throughout their homes. As for the launch timeline, production appears to be ramping up now, which usually indicates that a release is approaching quickly. Industry watchers believe the announcement could happen sometime in the first half of 2026, possibly during a spring product event. With the current generation gradually disappearing from store shelves, the replacement may arrive sooner than many people expect. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the HomePod Mini 2 could represent one of the biggest upgrades Apple has ever given to a small smart speaker. Faster performance, smarter AI, improved audio, stronger wireless connectivity, and deeper integration with the smart home ecosystem all point to a device that is far more capable than its predecessor. What once started as a simple music speaker may soon become the central intelligence hub of the modern connected home.